Hello, boys and girls. This question is related to center of mass concept. It says uniform thin rod of mass m and length capital L is standing vertically along the y-axis on a smooth horizontal surface. Standing vertically along the y-axis, it means there is no support on it. It is standing by its own. Its lower end is at the origin 0, 0. A slight disturbance at t is equal to 0 causes the lower end to slip on the smooth surface. So this starts slipping along the positive x-axis and the rod starts falling. The path followed by the center of mass during its fall is parabola, circle, straight line, or ellipse. So we have to find that. So what is happening here? If you see, if suppose this is your center of mass of the thin rod, and initially it was standing like this. So which all forces will be acting on it when a little disturbance is done to it, suppose from here or from here? Or from here. And just leave it. So what is happening here? If you can see which all forces are acting on the thin rod, you can write comfortably summation of all forces in the y direction. That is your gravitational force, that is mg acting downwards. What about the forces, the sum of the forces in the x direction? There is no force acting on it in the x direction because the disturbance has done and leave. It was not continued. The summation of the force in the x direction is 0, means acceleration in the x direction will be 0. So no motion in x direction of its center of mass. So if there is no motion in the x direction, there is no motion in the x direction. So in x direction, center of mass will not displace. So we can conclude that center of mass will be falling straight downwards in the negative of the y-axis. So our options C will be correct. So one of the answer we got option C. Now if we continue in the second part of it, for the above problem, the equation of trajectory of a point on the rod located at distance r from the lower end. So the same diagram has been brought here. Okay. And this is the point we are taking. And this distance is r as per question. And let us say that this angle is theta. Since the rod length is capital L, so its center of mass and it is a uniform rod. So its center of mass will be at the mid of it. So this length will be L by 2. Let us assign the coordinate to this point P, about which the question is asking. So we should assign it as x and y. So what is x? X is your this distance and y is your this distance. This is origin. So if we say this A and center of mass point as C and this point is P, so you can see that x will be equal to L by 2, that is AC cos theta minus R cos theta. AC, you know that it is L by 2. So you can write L by 2 minus R into cos theta. This is one of the equation. For y, for this one, y will be R sin theta from the triangle. If we write this P prime, A P prime triangle, we can see that y will be equal to R sin theta. To obtain its trajectory, what we will have to do? We will have to eliminate theta from these two equations. This is number 2 equation. To do that, what we will do? We will write cos theta from equation 1 as x by L by 2 minus R and square it, cos square theta, x square, this square. This is your equation 3. Similarly, sin theta will be y by R. We will square, square, square. So this is number 4 equation. So sum these two equations. Equation number 3 plus 4. So we are getting sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to x square by L by 2 minus R square plus y square by R square. But we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So our equation will become like this. You can check which option is matching with our this equation. So x square L by 2 minus R square. So this one. So option B will be the second answer. होपफुली आप लोग समझ गए होंगे इस कॉन्सेप्ट को. ये सिंपल है. यहाँ पे ये थिन रॉड है बट क्लियरिटी के लिए आपको थोड़ा मैग्नीफाई करके दिखाया गया है. अब कुछ नहीं है इसमें, सिर्फ आपका ये इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है, बिकॉज रॉड पे एक्स डायरेक्शन में कोई भी फोर्स नहीं काम कर रहा है। अगर उस डायरेक्शन में कोई फोर्स नहीं काम कर रहा है तो उस डायरेक्शन में कोई एक्सेलरेशन नहीं होगा। शुरू में वो रेस्ट में था एक्स डायरेक्शन में, तो एक्स डायरेक्शन में बाद में भी रेस्ट में होगा। इट मीन्स कि ओनली जिस डायरेक्शन में फोर्स काम कर रहा है दैट इज एफ वाई टुवर्ड्स द नेगेटिव ऑफ द एक्स एक्सिस, दैट इज एम जी के डायरेक्शन में, इस डायरेक्शन में ओनली इट विल फॉल डाउन। अगर कोई दिक्कत हो समझने में तो आप कमेंट बॉक्स में लिखेंगे, आई विल कम बैक टू यू। थैंक यू।